welcome to Run Run Deals. Today I'm going to be reviewing these plants, self-watering planters. Really easy to use. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in a package, all different sizes. You know, you've got the big one and then all different sizes. That's the smallest. And these are all the sizes. So they all come in one box, so it's really great. So as you can see, these are all the sizes. So really great. Again, I love these. They're perfect, really nice. If you don't want to use all of them, you can put some away. So it's really great. What's awesome about these is there's 2 different methods to watering. So this is the bottom plate that you can put water in here, and then it has this these strings that you put through the holes at the bottom. So just like this. So 1 and 1, and then you put the dirt inside, and these strings will be in here, and the water will actually go through the string and water the roots. So that's really great. Then if you don't want to use that, you can also just pour from top, and then it'll all filter through the bottom, so that way it doesn't rot your roots. And then you can easily just pour it out, the excess water. So that's also another way to water. These things you can easily, you put them on, and then it just clips and you twist, and that way, hold on, I didn't do it right. There we go. And as you can see, it doesn't come off. So you just twist, unlock, same thing, put it on, twist, and oh, didn't do it. You gotta just make sure you put it in the right, there we go, in the right thing, and then it locks. So that's locked. So now also another thing that it comes with is these little pieces that you can just take on and off, and you just simply put that in, and that's also another easy spout for you to put the water into the bottom tray. So that's also great, and also when pouring it out, it makes it easier to pour it out as well. Really great. These are perfect. You can easily wash them. They look nice, and it's great that it comes in all different sizes. I highly recommend them. They're really durable, really well made, and I like that, you know, it's, you know, the holes on the bottom, and they're easily, you can easily put them on these trays, and that way your water will constantly be you know, going through, and you can keep your plants healthy. So my plants seem to always, you know, die, and with these things lately, like, all my plants have been really great. So I highly recommend this product, and I hope you enjoy. Bye. You can also visit Run Run Deals mobile app for even more deals.